Good day, everyone. I'm Anne Incognadan Jala.
Angelica Tabolo.
I'm Black John Villamor.
I'm James Albert CP Bito.
And welcome to our educational vlog. Today, I will be talking about benefits of multimedia and information and communication technology, or ICT, in the 21st century. These tools plays an important role in our daily life, especially in work, communication, and education.
First, multimedia and ICT improve learning. Through videos, presentations, and online platforms, students can understand lessons more easily and enjoy learning. It also allows students to study anytime and anywhere.
Second, ICT makes communication faster and easier. With the help of social media, emails, and video calls, people can connect even if they are far from each other. This is very useful for students, teachers, workers.
Third, multimedia and ICT help develop skills for the future. Using technology improves digital skills, creativity, and critical thinking. These skills are important in finding jobs succeeding in the modern world.
So, multimedia and ICT are very important in the 21st century because they support in learning, improve communication, and prepare us for the future.